During the production of high-performance coatings, R&D and process engineers frequently encounter a persistent bottleneck, pigment settling and clumping during liquid mixing. This variance introduces a grainy texture to the finished paint film and substantially extends necessary grinding cycles. The physico-chemical root cause of this issue lies in the exceptionally high surface energy of standard titanium dioxide particles. Liangjiang's dispersion solution focuses on precise interface regulation. Building upon traditional inorganic coating techniques, we introduce trimethylpropane TMP or silane coupling agents for advanced organic surface modification. This treatment substantially reduces the surface tension of the TiO2 particles. Consequently, the pigment achieves instantaneous wetting and rapid deagglomeration upon fluid contact, regardless of whether it is applied to waterborne or solvent-based systems. This process optimization effectively assists manufacturers in streamlining grinding schedules, enhancing overall production throughput, and ensuring a mirror-smooth finish with optimized gloss profiles. Contact our application specialists for technical samples and tailored dispersion evaluations. Subscribe to our channel for more advanced insights into functional pigment technologies.